I'll be showing you how to put on Tech Deck or said Shred trucks on your Berlin Woods. I'm not using my real Berlin Wood because it's my brother's, so I'm using my brother's chewed up one. All my friends are gonna be seeing this and they'll be like, what the fuck? So well. I'll be using these said Shred trucks, they're white. The good thing is, if you're gonna get one, you don't have to get special Black River ones, because if you can usually use Tech Deck ones because they have little holes in them, so you can fit the little. You can see the little hole. If you see it, you probably can't. Yeah, you can, and just slit it in. Just push it, and it doesn't move. I'm actually trying, and it isn't really moving. So look. So it just falls out of place a little bit. And then you put it in there, and you hold this bit to keep it in place. Put your thumb there, and you put screws in there. Yeah. And then you take it off, and then it'll stay, and then you do all the other ones on. Then you can put on your trucks. I found the bolts, try to fix it on. Right, let me try that. Alright, pinch top, put the bolts in. And you screw it in. Oh. I'm not the best at doing this anyway, so oh, sorry, wrong hole. I just lost the bolt, so really fucking out of order. Right. Don't know which way they screw in. Oh yeah, I'm screwing it in. Yeah. Down. Or not. Well, that's how you put them on, but somehow it's been really gay. It's in the morning, I just had my shower and I'm like, it's really gay. My hands are all slippery. There. Yeah, I put them on. If you do the rest, that's it.